coming up this weekend. Boy, a lot of activity happening in the Johnston area, Jackie. The Bluegrass Music Association of Iowa's 4th annual Des Moines Area Bluegrass Festival over at the Stony Creek Inn in Johnston. Today and tomorrow is when the activities will occur. And on the Great Days soundstage right now, one of those bands that you will see performing at the festival. Jackie?
That's right, Blue Mafia.
What a great name that is.
Hi, guys. I don't know what it is about bluegrass music, but it just puts you in a good mood.
You get happy all of a sudden.
Right.
Dara and Kent are all mic'd up, raring to go. Dara, thank you for being here.
Well, thank you for having us.
So how long has the Blue Mafia been around?
This actually in April will be our 5-year bandiversary, so we're pretty excited about that.
Bandiversary, that's clever. I like that. So Kent, what drove you toward bluegrass music in the first place?
It's something where you can kind of all get together. Of course, we all love music in general, but bluegrass is kind of a family-oriented, setting. Like at these festivals, you'll see all kinds of different people getting together with people you don't even know. First time you've seen these people, get together and you jam. Everybody gets their instruments out, has a good time, and it's a whole lot of fun. It's really family-oriented, that kind of thing, and I can take my wife and kids to it, and it's just a good family atmosphere.
All right, well, we're ready to do some picking and grinning. Are you?
All right, take it away.
All right, stage is all yours.
Well, the smoke is rolling across town. That fireman's whistle makes a lonesome sound. I got this feeling that I can't explain. Fall to my knees and I'll pray for rain. Well, I drive as fast as I'm all allowed, just praying they can put the fire out. The flames are spreading inside around. Thank God they got my family out of line. All that remains is today and air. Not one reminder of the past, but we'll rebuild like we did before. We know they say the third time's a charm.
There we go. Blue Mafia, they're going to be performing over at the Stony Creek Inn in Johnston. It's the BMAI 4th Annual Des Moines Area Bluegrass Festival today and tomorrow.
IowaBluegrassmusic.com for more details. You guys are performing tonight. I can't wait. Like I said, you hear this kind of music, it gets you in the spirit of just having fun.
You
Tap on your
smile.
foot. You smile. You have a great time. And as you mentioned before, Blue Mafia, it's family friendly. We want everybody to get out and have a good time.
Well, Kent, introduce the band members for us, if you'd be so kind.
Okay, down there. I have a microphone, I'm sorry. I'm so used to stage shows that we have to do this,
You're good. You're good. Tell us who's
Okay.
on stage with you right
on the
now.
banjo down here is actually our newest member. He makes his home in Scipio, Indiana. Make welcome, Mr. Caleb Smith.
There you go. Good job.
Yeah.
Who else you got there with you?
Playing that skinny-looking bass right there. Makes his home in Daleville, Indiana, Mr. Michael Gregory.
Yeah.
Nice.
On the guitar, the one and only
Thank goodness.
Mr. Tony Ray. And playing mandolin is his much better half, my lovely sister-in-law. They make their home in Eaton, Indiana, Mrs. Dara Ray.
Very nice.
And I'm Kent Todd. I live in Heltonville, Indiana.
There you go. Wonderful. Well, you guys have time for another song for us?
Yep.
Sure.
All right.
It's been many weeks, my dear, since you told me that you love me so dearly. But it seems to me today you would change you. Oh, you're telling me that our love is through. When you're far, far away from me, darling, and you're sad and you don't know what to do, and you feel that no one cares about you, I will always be waiting for you. Oh, I can't forget the day that you told me that you love me and be my sweetheart. But it looks like, my dear, you've forgotten, for you say now that we have to part. When you're far, far away from me, darling, and you're sad and you don't know what to do, and you feel that no one cares about you, I will always be waiting for you. Oh, the days seem so lonesome and dreary, and the nights are so lonely and blue. Since you left me alone here without you, oh, please come back, I'm waiting for you. When you're far, far away from me, darling, and you're sad and you don't know what to do, and you feel that no one cares about you, I will always be waiting for you. When you're far, far away from me, darling, and you're sad and you don't know what to do, and you feel that no one cares about you, I will always be waiting for you. I will always be waiting for you.
There you go, Blue Mafia. Don't forget, folks, the Bluegrass Music Association of Iowa's annual Des Moines Area Bluegrass Festival, Stony Creek in Johnston. Today and tomorrow cost you $20 to get in today, $25 tomorrow. You can get a weekend pass, Jackie, for $35. But they have some workshops going on this afternoon from 2 to 5. Also, another workshop going on tomorrow from 10:30 till noon. So you can take advantage of that as well.
Blue Mafia, thank you for joining us on our Great Day Soundstage this morning. Looking forward to a great couple of days of bluegrass here in the metro area. Do you guys mind playing us to break?
Not at all.
Thank you
go.
so much.
It's 10 minutes before 10 o'clock. You are watching Great Day.